Welcome back to It's Alive Automotive, everybody. My name is Joey, and right here is a 1969 Jaguar E-Type fixed head coupe. This thing is now for sale. Let's check it out. This thing is sweet. Finished in a British racing green. This paint really complements the chrome trim all over the car, as well as the chrome wire wheels. Now, apart from just good looks on this car, let's dive into what makes this thing really fun. Housed within is a 4.2-liter inline-6, which makes roughly 265 horsepower. With that kind of power, that gives this car a top speed of roughly 140 miles per hour. Now, let's dive into a few more specs about this incredible machine. This fixed head coupe model boasts a fully synchronized 4-speed manual transmission, independent coil spring rear suspension, and 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes. But it's not all about performance. The comfort in this Jaguar is extraordinary. The leather seats, the wooden steering wheel, everything speaks of luxury and class in this car. With its streamlined design and aerodynamic shape, this car was a revelation in the 1960s, and it still turns heads today. Every detail, every curve, every line is a tribute to a time when cars were more than machines. They were works of art. Ready to be a part of this car's legacy? This 69 E-Type is waiting for a brand new home, and if you visit itsaliveauto.com, you can view all the photos of this car on our website, and you can also give us a call. Let us make this dream car yours today. Until next time.